Hello everyone, welcome to Nails of Interest. Today I'm going to do a red manicure, maybe use some more foil gel stamping since I love that so much before. I'm wearing a lot of red this month because February in the US is the Go Red month. It's for wearing red to bring awareness to women's heart health. There's a few other symbols like a red dress. Today I'm just happen to be in the mood for red, and I have a couple of polishes. Yes, nail polishes sent to be my Laguana Moon. I was actually shocked when I realized they were gel polishes. I was swatching them out, put them in the lamp, and I was like, this smells like nail polish. Something's wrong here. It's actually nail polish. I have the Rainbow Holo. There's 3 different colors here. RB06, RB10. Look at the beauties. And RB01. And the smell is a lot less than some of the top coats that I've used in the past, and it doesn't last very long. So those of you that are liking regular nail polishes, they do have alternatives for you there as well. Just thought I'd mention that. And this is PL020. But the basic thing about gels is just don't get them on your skin. No nail product, even a nail polish, is not meant for your skin. So just try to avoid it. I know there's a few nail arts that we can't avoid it on, and some of us are shaky ladies like I am. Just keep it on your nail plate. But if you're allergic to anything in any beauty product or health product, just don't use it. I just love their glitter colors. This is actually the color that I used when I had my thumb with the heart. That 3D looking heart I had on my thumb. This was actually the color that I used in the center of that. I'll put the picture on the screen. And I already have my base coat on that I love to use underneath. But if you're doing these on natural nails, you need to prep your nails and put your base coat on, cure it before you do the color. But most of us on YouTube just like to save that step because of the time constraints in a video. Got a little on my skin, so I need to wipe that up. And also, I found a video that really explains very well some of the high allergens in gel polish. Let me give these a cure. I'm going in for a second coat. I like to do the tips first because it's gel, you can just move it around. And you can get as precise into your skin as you want. I just like to leave a little barrier just because of my wiggle room, because I would hate to get a gel allergy. I really would. I'm gonna cure these when I get done. I'm going to wipe off the tacky layer. That's just uncured gel that every gel has except for the no wipe top coats. When you take them out of the lamp, they'll be sticky. Not a problem. You can just put on your top coat and you're good. But I'm going to do some art that requires the sticky layer to be gone. So I will wipe them off. I'll show you an example of how I wipe the nail. I put my gel cleanser on my pad, put it on my nail, let it do its job, and then rub it down. And then if you have no gel on this side, you could do it again. This is some other paint I was playing with. You could do it again, but you don't want to rub that gel onto your skin. Just a word of warning. I'm going to link that video I watched down below. Jim McConnell from Light Elegance. He does a chemist corner on, I think it's Monday or Wednesdays, I forget. Some great advice on that channel as well as the Nail Hub's channel. I'll link both videos down below. They did a collaboration video full of great advice. And some people that are allergic to gel may only be allergic to that one ingredient. What I want to do is play with the Warm Pretty Plate Decoration L003. This is the plate right here. I'm just going to pull some images off of there. And what I'm wanting to do is play with the Moyra magic foils. They have at least 2 different golds now. I can't remember which one's which, but this is the one that I've always played with. I think, let me get out. At least it looks like it to me. Maybe it's the other one, I don't know. Yeah, I think it's this one. I don't know. We'll call this the original. They're 2 and 5. And they also have a lot more colors. I just love the stuff. Get some of that ready to go. Have some of their stamping gel polish. This is for the foils, but it's gel, so you put it on you stamp with it, you can take your time, put it on your nail, and then you have to put it in the lamp to cure it, just like I did with the nail red color. And I'm just trying to figure out which of these pretty images I want to use. Still Valentine's Day, so I'm going to do a little bit of this. And who knows what else I'm going to get into. I have the black color. It comes in a couple of colors. And of course, you gotta do all this regular stuff you do. That is cute. I'll do a few of those on the same nail. So I know this nail's wide enough to accommodate it. I like that it gives me plenty of time to work. I tried some other stamping gel and I just didn't like. I liked how it worked. I didn't like how to get it off the plate. I'm gonna have to play with it some more. I didn't get enough on there. I keep forgetting I don't have to rush. I don't like that one. I like that my stamping plate also will not dry on me while I'm waiting to cure it or what have you. Unless I cure the plate, it's not going to dry on me. I like the fact that you're not committed once you stick it down. You can just do something a little bolder on my thumb. Let's do this one. Taking a gamble on such a long image. It's only my second time using this foil stamping gel. I need a bigger stamper. Pretty image. Pretty, pretty, pretty. I had realized in the middle I forgot to shake it, so hopefully it'll work out. I'm gonna put my nails into my lamp and cure them and see if the foil will work. I just pulled out the smallest size and I skipped one size up. I went to the other size. I have no idea what the sizes are. I'm just gonna get out the Laguana Moon no wipe top coat. This is the gloriously thick gold top coat, and just see what I can. Blings won't be going anywhere. Anywhere. Coat really is so thick that you don't really need to worry about your gems going many places. Well, let me give these a cure and finish up my other hand, and I will get back with you for reveal pictures at the end of the video. Thank you for being here with me today, everyone. Have a great day. Till next time, you be you and I'll be me. Bye-bye.